Hey, what up guys, how's it going? I have something super cool here. One of the coolest things I've ever seen. I have a mission critical tactical baby carrier. So it's a baby carrier that looks like tactical gear for the military. It's like the coolest thing ever. It's right here. So I just got it, it's in the bag. Yeah, I'm gonna take it out of the package and get up close so you could see it. So tomorrow's my brother-in-law's birthday, and I figured why not get him something super cool like this to make him look like tough dad, right? Now this could be for guys or girls. You know, some women served in the armed forces, so they can wear this too. Why not? Some women are tougher than dudes, seriously. But it's just cool looking for guy or girl, whoever. So yeah, this is really cool. So I'm gonna stop talking. I'll turn the camera around, we'll get in a little closer, and I'll also put it on and so you could see it. So you can get this directly on Mission Critical's website, or you can get this on Amazon. Both links are in the description below, and it's about $179. My wife and I don't have any children, but if I were a father, I definitely have one of these, because this is like the coolest thing I've ever seen, period. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a look. Yeah, so this thing is totally safe and secure. The vest allows for full mobility and safety with easy adjustments using a simple 4-step process. It's got a removable liner in the front. It also has a sunshade built in if you want to cover your child or help them nap. It's pretty cool. The mesh ventilation that it has inside of it on the interior, it helps material breathe so you're not sweating as much. It's actually pretty cool. Yeah, it's also got MOLLE webbing, fully customizable. You could put attachments or other stuff on the front. They also have a backpack. They have a water bottle holder. They have a whole bunch of other accessories, but it's actually pretty cool. Now it also comes in 2 other colors. I have this color here, and it also comes in a gray and a black, totally up to you. I like this color a little better myself because to me it seems more like something you'd see in the military, you know, pretty cool. Now this has a lifetime limited warranty, 30-day return for any reason, and free shipping on all orders over $179. This is JPMA certified, ASTM International, and seal of approval from the National Parenting Center. That's pretty good. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to put this on as if I was getting ready to go into combat with a dirty diaper. All right, undo that. Undo that. Okay. Let me go ahead and put this on here. Then put this on here. Now I'm doing this so you guys could get a good idea of what it'll look like on you. Now, like I said, they also sell plenty of attachments that you could buy, like a diaper bag or a water bottle holder, other accessories you could see on the website as well. So I'm 5'11", 165 pounds, just to give you an idea of what this will look like. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Let me tell you, it's well made. I think inside this zipper here is the thing to protect your baby's head, like if they're taking a nap or shade. You know, it's pretty cool. And yeah, this is well made. Let me see. Dirty diaper, get on the ground. Okay, let me try to get to it, okay. Boom, baby out. Stinky diaper. Change, and put it back. Wow, I look like a Ninja Turtle. All right. But yeah, I just thought this was so cool. I just wanted to show you guys. This is pretty awesome. Like I said, if I was a dad, I'd definitely get one of these for sure. Let's see if I could do this all, and yeah, there you go. So I hope that helps. Here's the back as well. Pull tabs there. Okay, so hopefully this video helped you decide if you wanted it or not, but I just thought this was super awesome, so I wanted to show you guys. And yeah, so all the links are in the description, and laters.